What can milk do? Well, it can turn you into a morning person. It can help fuel some pretty tough stuff. And it can definitely make cartoons funnier.
No, it can't.
Oh, well, it can have a little edge. But come on, even kitties love it. It'll keep up with you at any age. It makes engines whir and creme brulee creamy. It's one of the easiest labels you'll ever read. And anything that makes this happen is pretty special. In fact, what can't milk do?
So my commercial was called "What Can't Milk Do." Um, so I wrote down a couple things. I just want to say that I thought that the commercial had both rational and emotional aspects of it. I think that um, they tried to make it very relatable to everyone. Everyone drank milk when they were younger, or still drinks milk to this day. And we all know it as a thing to make us stronger and better. And I think they tried to appeal to that very much in the commercial. So, just to talk about a couple of things, I want to say that they very much touched on the indulgence factor of, I'll say, of the simple um, thing. I just want to say that they talked about milk as a thing where it was okay to indulge because it has one of the most simple labels. It only has like two ingredients. It makes you, and then they talked about all these things that it makes you, like you're a morning person, you're strong, it makes you, just it just works for everyone. And I think that that was, um, I felt like it was like an ad that kind of brought us all together to all like milk and realize that we all like milk. Um, I think it also brought in a little bit of performance again. Like I was saying, milk works for everyone. It makes everybody strong by drinking it. I also want to say that it it's supposed. I think it touched on the looks part of of Oh, hold on. Okay, I'm sorry. It touched on the looks part of the commercial. I'm sorry, it just threw me off a little bit. My computer. Um, it enhances your looks. It keeps you strong. Even if you're drinking it now. I guess it kind of wanted to show evidence of how you went from a small kid to an adult now, being stronger and more fit and muscle mass. Um, I also think it tried to touch on some of the emotional things um, that, and so they could appeal to the masses with this commercial to get people to drink milk more. I think it had a little bit of laughter as far as the pleasure part. I think it had a little bit of laughter in it, especially when they were saying, well, it can help you think that cartoons are funnier. And the guy was like, no, it can't. But, they was like, oh, okay, I guess they just got carried away. um, Sensation, I said it could quench your thirst. It could also, um, you know, help you to feel stronger, even if you're not getting stronger. It helps you feel stronger and feel like you're doing something, and it tastes healthy. I guess that's the way they wanted to come at it, and I think it touched on a little bit of uniqueness as well. Milk is, the only thing like it, the only thing like it is milk. You use milk in all types of ingredients and everything. So it's like bread into us. And I think they really wanted to touch on that and persuade people to drink more milk and to drink milk often. And show what milk can do. So that's all. That was my take on the commercial.